So, have you heard about the creepy AI predictions they're saying? So, the other day, Grok 4 just recently released. And I don't know if you've seen it yet, but if you haven't, you need to go on X or any type of social media and check it out. I mean, the stuff that this AI is doing is just mind blowing. So, as we start marching towards a sentient AI where it actually becomes, where we would say alive, where it starts actually having feelings and emotions and can think ahead in advance, here's what's going to happen is what they're saying. So like when you look at like Chat GPT or Grok or Gemini or any of them, and if you've used any AI, even if you're using any type of image creation stuff like Mid Journey or anything along those, you'll notice that every single AI has its own art style. It'll have its own style, like with the information it gives you, how it tells it to you, etc. And one would actually say that this is like a personality. Like if you go to Chat GPT and then you go to Gemini and you give it to say the same prompt, it's like the answer is different and the way it talks to you is just completely just not the same. So these are built on language models that are causing this. So this prediction starts talking about that as these AIs become smarter, and let's say Grok 4 goes to Grok 5 to Grok 6, and eventually it's a sentient AI that completely knows what's going on. Each one of these AIs is going to start to have its own personality. Now, that seems kind of far fetched, but if you use it enough now, you'll already see it kind of already does have its own personality. And once this becomes more advanced and you start thinking about, okay, well, if you took 10 humans and you line them up, not all 10 of those humans are going to be necessarily good people. Some of those people are going to have personalities that maybe have traits that are just, I don't know, wrong against society, however you would like to, I guess, phrase that. So it would be the same thing with these AIs. Like some AIs might be real empathetic and helpful, where another AI might be, mean and rude and maybe like give you the wrong information and push you to something that is different. And as this starts becoming more and more advanced, then you have to start wondering about like some type of evil that comes out of these. That, okay, you have a handful of algorithms that completely are here to help you and, give you good health information, writing information, whatever you need. But then there's another set of AIs that have a malicious intent. And if you can already see that there's such a difference in this, because if they were all language models, I mean, they should just be kind of generically similar in a sense, but they're not. And if you go look at Grok 4, you'll totally see what I'm talking about. That this thing is really starting to have its own personality. Now, that's not to say that it's going to be a bad personality, but as we start going towards the next 5 to 10 years, eventually there will be an AI that is created that its backbone won't be so friendly. So, what do you think about this prediction? Let me know in the comments below.